Hello, I am sharing this recipe which has ingredients which are rich in vitamin K and calcium, both of which are beneficial to bone health. It is simply delightful to eat crunchy green beans and tender squid coated with spicy anchovy paste. Here are the ingredients. If you want to up the spiciness of the dish, remember to increase the amount of chilies. Let's start preparing the squid. First, detach the head and innards from the squid body. Pull out the cartilage. Discard innards and cartilage. Keep the head and tentacles for another dish. Clean the body of the squid thoroughly. Slice the tube open. Remove any residuals. Give it a rinse. And you start peeling the skin off. The skin is edible. You can skip this step if you are not bothered by it. Slice the tube vertically in this manner. The strips will tend to be less curly if cut this way. Cut into lengths of about 6 cm long. Soak the dried anchovies for 10 to 15 minutes with some water to soften them. Cut and peel garlic. Do the same for shallots. To make peeling easy, crush them slightly. Slice open the chilies and cut into smaller sections. Remove the seeds. Remove the ginger skin and put it into the mortar with the rest of the aromatics. Remove the anchovies from the water and add into the mortar. Pound till you get a coarse paste like this. First, wash the beans. Align a small bunch of green beans and slice off the tips. Repeat with the rest. Snap off the other end of the green beans and remove any string-like fiber if any. Cut into lengths of about 5 cm. Remove the leaf stalk from the cover leaves and cut into thin strips. Blanch the squid with boiling water. Remove and set aside once they turn opaque. Do not overcook it. Retain the water for use later. Add oil into heated wok in medium heat. Wait for the oil to be heated up. Add in the paste and stir fry for about 3 minutes. Add in water previously reserved. Stir fry till dry. Add in green beans. Add 2 tablespoons of the reserved water. Fry till they turn from light green to bright green. Add in carefully and then followed by the squid. Stir fry and toss around for about a minute. Add in fish sauce, and if you like, add in some salt as well. If the green beans are easily cut through, they are done. Add another tablespoon of water. Give it a few stir and it is done. It is absolutely delicious to eat with rice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. To receive notifications for more creative and simple home-cooked food, please subscribe to my channel.